Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making a very cute crochet flower using two colors of yarn, orange and white, and a small bead for the center. This flower is simple, quick and perfect for beginners. First I am starting with the white yarn. I make a magic ring and inside the ring I crochet the 12 single crochet stitches. After completing the round, I pull the ring tight to close the center. Now I am making the petals. For each petal, one chain for then work one double crochet, one triple crochet, and again one double crochet into the same stitch. Then I slip stitch into the next stitch to finish the petal. Repeat the same steps to all the way around to from